Hello everyone and welcome to the Pondering Philomath. When I was younger, I used to love reciting the table of 11, multiplication table of the number 11, because it was so easy. But what happens when the numbers get a little bit more complicated and longer? Well, today I will be teaching you a trick to help calculate the multiplication by the number 11. And using this technique, you can solve this multiplication in just a few minutes. So let's get started. For example, if we have a number, for example, 26, and we multiply it by 11, then I can already tell you that the answer is going to be 286. Now let's talk about how we get to that answer. So what we do is we take the first number and we put it over here. Then we take the second digit of this number and we put it over here, like this. And the number in the middle is, we find it by adding these two digits together. So we would have 2 plus 6, which is 8. And this is how we get our answer. So it's very simple. And now let's try it with another example. So let's see. What if we have 43 times 11? Right? So we use the same technique. We write down, we copy these two digits and we write it down. So we write down 4 and we write down the 3. And the middle number is just the addition of these two numbers, and that would be 7. 4 plus 3, which is 7. And that is the answer. Now, these are for two-digit, like if we are multiplying a two-digit number with 11. But let's take it a step further. Right, so let's look at this example. What if we have 47 times 11? Now this is also a two-digit multiplication, but it's a little bit more complicated, not too much, but let's see how. So when we're doing this, again, we write down 4 and we write down the 7 over here, which is just copying these two digits, and then the middle number is 4 plus 7, which is 11. What do we do in this case? We just write down the 1 over here, and we put a carry on to the 4. And this gives us 517. So that is the answer. It's not too complicated. The only difference is this carry on that we have over here. Right, so this was a two-digit multiplication, but with a carry on. So this was two-digit with a carry on, right? So that's what we have here. And now let's move on to a three-digit number, and let's see how that works in that case. So let's take, right, so I'll just write it down. We have a three-digit multiplication, and it also works in a similar fashion with a slight variation. So we have 134 multiplied by 11. And what do? We write down the end numbers. So that would be the 1 and the 4. We just write it down like this, right? So the topmost number and the lowest number, which is 1 and 4 in these cases. And then what we do is we add these two terms and we add these two numbers, right? So we have 3 plus 4 would give us a 7, and 1 plus 3 would give us a 4, right? And this is the answer, right? What you can have is, in a three-digit multiplication, you could also have carry-ons as well for different numbers. For example, well, I'll give that question later on. But let's just check this one so that you can see that it works. So we have 134 times 11, and we get 1474. So it matches up with our answer over here, right? So I hope you understood this technique. It's very easy, and this could be used for any number, like however large it is. It's not limited to 2 digits or 3 digits. Yeah, I hope you understood. I hope you understood it. And if you have any more questions, then just feel free to put them in the comment box down below. And just for practice, I would like to give you a number. And how about you try calculating this multiplication? So just try it out and put the answer in the comments box. And yeah, if you don't understand it, just review this video one more time. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the like button, and obviously don't forget to subscribe to tune in to more such videos. Thank you very much. That's it from the Pondering Philomath.